Hello. Um, Welcome to school. Seems to be what it's going to be like for maybe the rest of the year, but but we're going to get through it. And I want to start by saying this is my office. It's under construction, as you can see. But I'll be speaking to you over the next couple of weeks or several months from this location in North Portland. I really hope you're all doing well. And over the next week or so, we'll start to touch base and talk on video conferences. But as promised, I said when we came back, whether it was online or in the classroom, we were going to finish up the final points of your Silk Road project. So here it goes. Follow along as best you can. This is all new to me, as it is kind of new to you. So we'll just give me a second. So the first thing I want to do is this. I want to show you how to build a Adobe Voice video. And the reality is, many of you were there the last Friday, and we got started on it then. Some of you might have forgotten over the last 2 weeks. I totally understand. And let me show you how to do it for everyone. First of all, you're going to go to sparkadobe.com, and you'll have an account. You can log in with your student ID, go to the Chrome or the Google verification button, and it's going to sign you right in. When you get started, spark.adobe.com, you're going to get to this page. There's a bunch of examples and all sorts of stuff. And what we're doing is we're building a Spark video. So you hit this blue button at the top that says Get Started Now. And it's going to load up a page that looks just like this. I'm going to skip the tour for now. And it goes like this. You can create a collage and a web page, which I believe you did for writing. But what we're going to be doing is building a slideshow for your Silk Road piece. It's going to throw up some of these things, and there are all these templates that you can use, but I think it's best if you go all the way to the end and click Make Your Own. Okay, and it's going to bring up this screen. Feel free to watch it, give you some good tips. But your first screen is going to look like this. What I would say is you could split the screen, and on one side you could add a caption and the other side a picture, or you could just make everything a picture. And right now, it's been a couple years since I've done this. I want to add a photo. And the first photo I want to do is where you start your journey. And where you started your journey was simply in this capital city of China called Chang'an. And we can go add free photos. And here's a little trick. You can type in Chang'an, and a few of these things are going to pop up like this. If you want even more, some of these cities have changed their names. So Chang'an is now called Xi'an. And it will also throw up some different pictures. Either way, you want a picture or two to start your journey. And one of the pieces is, we can add another photo here, and that looks great. So you've got your first slide done. You're going to hit this button and you're going to record your journey. The trick is you only get 30 seconds per slide. So let's say your first journal entry, if you're reading it onto there, is 1.5 minutes, then you're going to need at least 3 slides. But that's pretty easy. All I recommend doing is just duplicating each of these slides down here, and then you're going to have the opportunity to record over each of these. You're going to do this for each of your locations. So after Chang'an, you went ahead and you went to the outpost of Dongguan. There we go. And you can come through and you can add photographs from Dongguan. And there you go. And you're just going to record over this picture for each of your locations. When it's all said and done, you're going to go ahead and you are going to share it. And you're going to go all the way up to the share button. You're going to hit publish. And you're going to title it. So I'd like it if you did your first name and period number, something like that. And that way, and then you're going to pick a category. So let's say travel. And you're going to create a link. Once you've created that link, you are going to share that with me. So once you get the link, I want you to copy and paste it, and you're going to